Now, come with us and enter a whole new world beyond your imagination, where a boy discovers a magic lamp and a genie who can make all his dreams come true.
10,000 years will give you such a crick in the neck. So what'll it be, Master?
I must have hit my head harder than I thought.
Walt Disney Pictures presents Aladdin.
You're a genie?
That's right. He can be taught. You ain't never had a friend like me.
Imagine a whole new world of excitement.
A magic carpet.
Danger.
Whoa, carpet, let's move!
And enchantment. It's the story of a poor boy from the streets and a beautiful girl from a palace.
Princess Jasmine.
They were two very different people,
The law says you must be married to a prince.
brought together by one incredible wish.
What is it you want most?
There's this girl. Pretty. Beautiful.
Say l'amour.
But she's the princess. To even have a chance, I'd have to be...
Say the magic words.
Genie, I wish for you to make me a prince.
All right! Hang on to your turban, kid. We're gonna make you a star. Prince Ali,
But the evil sorcerer Jafar has learned the secret of Aladdin's power,
He has the lamp.
and he'll stop at nothing to steal it away.
It's time to say goodbye.
We'll just see about that.
This is not done yet, boy.
Imagine the world at your command,
Genie, I need help. Jasmine won't even let me talk to her.
No!
only to discover the greatest power is within.
Remember, be yourself.
Do you trust me?
A whole new world.
Don't you dare close your eyes.
Aladdin, featuring 6 new songs from the Academy Award-winning composer of The Little Mermaid and Beauty and the Beast.
Come over here, big group hug. Group hug.
Never, ever,
Coming this holiday season, Walt Disney Pictures, Aladdin.
You ain't never had a friend like me.